Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Apple Pay not working for online purchases. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you're facing the issue that your Apple Pay is not working for online purchases, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to open your settings app, and here you have to make sure that you have a stable and the strongest network connection. Then go to general section here, just go to the VPN and device management, and you just have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. If you're connected, just try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting your VPN, just go to software update and try to update your software. After updating software, just go back and here go to transfer reset iPhone. Select reset, then select reset network settings. Enter your iPhone passcode and then select reset network settings from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all over your network settings. If there will be any issue with your iPhone network settings, it will be fixing the step and will not get the issue again. Or after resetting your network settings, you can still they have the same issue. So you just have to try to check your Apple Pay or your credit or debit card if it hasn't expired or there's enough balance in your Apple Pay. But if you're still facing the same issue, so you can contact the Apple Support team. Now to do that, you have to simply open your Apple Support app, select iPhone from here, and then select subscriptions and purchases. Then select enable to purchase, and now just wait for the loading. Then tap on get more help. Then tap on call us. After that, you'll find a phone number whenever you want to talk. You have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple Support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.